Hello dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your #1 destination for health and wellness insights. Today, we're diving into the invigorating world of cold showers and exploring how this simple practice can transform your health and well-being. From boosting circulation and enhancing mood, to strengthening immunity and increasing energy levels, cold exposure has numerous benefits for both body and mind. So, come on and join us as we get deep into the science behind cold showers and uncover practical tips for incorporating this powerful practice into your daily routine. Get ready to elevate your health and unlock your full potential with the transformative power of cold showers. It is freezingly amazing. So, if you're planning to start taking your first steps into this path of resilience, what is the science of cold exposure? Let's understand the basics on cold exposure and hormesis, what it is and what effects it has. Hormesis is a biological phenomenon where exposure to low levels of stress or toxins triggers adaptive responses in an organism. These responses promote resilience and health. Essentially, it's the idea that what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, within certain limits of course. In hormesis, a small dose of a stressor, such as exercise, cold exposure, or even certain toxins, can stimulate beneficial physiological responses in the body. These responses can include enhanced immune function, increased antioxidant production, improved DNA repair mechanisms, and activation of longevity pathways. The concept of hormesis is widely studied in various fields, including toxicology, pharmacology, human health and aging research. It suggests that moderate stressor, in small doses, can have positive effects on health and longevity, whereas excessive stress or toxicity can obviously be very harmful or even deadly. Cold exposure, also known as cold thermogenesis, involves exposing the body to cold temperatures for a short period of time, to elicit various physiological responses. When exposed to cold, the body activates thermogenesis, a process that generates heat to maintain your core body temperature. This process stimulates the activation of brown adipose tissue, also known as BAT, a type of fat that burns calories to produce heat, resulting in increased energy expenditure and potential weight loss as well. Furthermore, cold exposure triggers the release of neurotransmitters like norepinephrine and dopamine, which are responsible for enhancing your mood, making you alert, and elevating your cognitive function as well. Additionally, cold showers have been shown to improve circulation by constricting blood vessels and promoting blood flow to vital organs and muscles, which can enhance recovery after training and reduce the respective inflammation. So, now that we know what hormesis and cold exposure mean to our bodies, what are the benefits of taking cold showers? Let's get into the benefits it can provide you. Cold exposure benefit number 1. Boosted immunity. Cold showers can strengthen the immune system by stimulating the production of white blood cells and activating the body's natural defense mechanisms. This can help prevent colds, the flu, and other respiratory infections too. Cold exposure benefit number 2. Increased energy and alertness. Cold showers have an energizing effect on the body, helping to wake you up and increase alertness, similar to a cup of coffee but without the caffeine crash. Cold exposure can also improve mental clarity and focus, making it an ideal way to start your morning. Cold exposure benefit number 3. Enhanced recovery. Cold showers can aid in muscle recovery after exercise by reducing inflammation and promoting blood flow to the respective muscles. This can help to alleviate soreness and speed up the recovery process, allowing you to get back to your workouts more quickly and maintain your effectiveness. Cold exposure benefit number 4. Improved mood and mental health. Cold exposure has been shown to have antidepressant effects by increasing levels of feel-good neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. They can also reduce symptoms of anxiety and stress, promoting a sense of calmness and relaxation. Let's face it, who has time to be anxious about daily life events when taking a cold shower? This can definitely help you to clear your mind. Cold exposure benefit number 5. Increased metabolism and fat loss. Cold exposure activates brown fat, which burns calories to generate heat, leading to increased energy expenditure and potential weight loss. Cold showers can also improve insulin sensitivity and metabolism, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight, improve glucose metabolism and reverse insulin resistance. Next, how can you start in the path of cold exposure? Let's continue with our special guide on how to start taking a cold shower. Now that we know what the amazing benefits of cold exposure are, let's get deep into how to do it best. Put this knowledge to practice. Taking a cold shower may seem daunting at first, but with practice and persistence, you can reap the benefits of this invigorating practice. Here's how you can do it. Start slow. Begin by gradually reducing the temperature of your shower over time, starting with lukewarm water and gradually transitioning to cooler temperatures. Remember, you only need to be exposed for a short period of time. Focus on breathing. As you step into the cold water, focus on taking slow, deep breaths to help your body adjust to the temperature change. You also need to relax your muscles and embrace the sensation of the cold water on your skin. Stay mindful. Pay a lot of attention to how your body responds to the cold water and be mindful of any sensations or discomfort. Remind yourself of the numerous health benefits you're gaining with each cold shower, as well as the increase in discipline. Gradually increase exposure time. Aim to gradually increase the duration of your cold showers over time, starting with just a few seconds and working your way up to several minutes. Listen to your body and stop if you experience any extreme discomfort. Taking a shower of cold water for 2 minutes is more than enough to gain the cold exposure benefits that you are seeking for, but you can build your way up to 5 minutes or even more, to empower your discipline. Finish strong. After your cold shower, take a few moments to feel in the invigorating sensation of increased energy and vitality. Embrace the sense of accomplishment and know that you're taking proactive steps towards improving your health and well-being. Post-exposure warmth. A very important tip after cold exposure is to ensure you warm up gradually to prevent excessive shivering, any type of respiratory infection, and keep yourself as healthy as possible. Wrap yourself in dry warm clothing, drink a hot beverage, or engage in gentle movement to promote circulation and restore body temperature. In conclusion, there you have it, friends. Cold showers are a simple yet powerful tool for enhancing your weight loss, health and vitality. By incorporating this practice into your daily routine, you can boost immunity, increase energy levels, improve mood, promote better weight loss and support overall health. Remember that the journey to a better body and health begins with small, consistent steps, and that is where cold showers come in play. They are an excellent way to start your day on the right foot. Keep in your mind to always respect your limits and do not exceed yourself. Practice makes perfect. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the transformative power of cold exposure. If you found this video informative and inspiring, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our Levitas channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for our latest content. Don't forget to leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts and experiences with cold showers. We love hearing from you. Your support helps us grow and create even better content for you every week. Until next time, embrace the cold, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.